China. Just look at the scoreboard. China or... Okay, I'll try to switch over. Okay. I am on hotel squad. Oh, fuck it. I'll join it. You got room for me? Oh, your squad leader still alright? No problem. Do that. Thank you. This guy camping in the boat. I don't camp, dude. I prefer run around and take shots. You got spawn beacon. Sniper, 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 there's that bitch. Snap this motherfucker right through his head. Got you and your beacon. Anybody else? Yeah, you can. Are we on the right? Oh shit. Our spawn is the other way. This spawn here is the best for the UCAP. The Echo spawn is the best spawn for UCAP. Echo spawn here. The best here for UCAP. Oh shit, sniper. This bitch. What the hell? I'm gonna be here. The sniper on top of the roof. What? What? Yeah, one bit. No. Medicine marker. Rooftop. Oh my god, I almost took the guy head off. On the rooftop. I got sniped. Yep, I see 3 guys. Engineer 2. Oh shit, 5, 6. 6 guys up there. 1 jumped down. Okay, let's go with the UCAV. Shit. Yeah, I'm going right in for the UCAV.
Attack this objective!
Marcus, your mother attacked you.
Neutralized.
Your mother attacked you.
Get eyes on a hostile jet.
The UCAP ship ready. Oh, the RPG right in our place.
I have eyes on a hostile AT source north of your current location.
I'm gonna take a chance at the UCAP right now. Find a UCAP. Fuck, that's not the guy was gonna go get, man. Shit. On the left side, on the left side. On the left side building. UCAP's ready. Bombs away. Look at him. Stay right there, bitch. Don't you jump. Don't you jump. I want to get 2 of you. Bang! Oh, come on! Damn!
Spotted a hostile jet. I have eyes on an enemy machine gunner. Due north of your location.
I'm on sniper on Delta. Oh shit, guy upstairs on Alpha. On my side.
We've just lost objective Alpha.
Shit. Marcus, man, this up. What? What?
Yeah. What?
Mind this.
Hi.
You have in your back. I see a helo. I'm going for the helo. No fly zone. He got hit on the helo. He's dropping. What's up? Wagwan G. Nice, nice. You cool, G? You got beacon on Alpha.
Daddy.
Kiss, bitch. Dog one. Now your brother go bed now for in bed.
No.
Come.
She got to stay up later than me.
We got parachuting, we got sniper on the beacon right side of Alpha. We got parachuters dropping off it. Trying to get that sniper again. Where's that healer? Come here.
Objective down there.
Lift the oh shit. Oh dude, oh shit man, come on, there's lots of Alpha. God damn, yeah, Alpha is hot. Alpha super hot. A lot of snipers down there, dude. They're up in the hills beside the spawn too. They're all over Alpha. They're all over Alpha as well, man. Come on, his friend turned around. Where's their lab? Where's the LAVs and shit? The helo ain't gonna spawn, ain't gonna die. No, the helo guy is flying too low on the spawn on him, but it's too low. Someone gonna kill him in a minute. Here comes the jet. Oh, you see my skin, Blueberry. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Sure, you pussy. Guys in the hill, guys in the hill.
Objective Alpha has been neutralized.
Yeah, they can come right in our spawn. The other side is better, man. This one, they can come right in our spawn. Yeah, it sucks. We got a jet coming in for oh shit! Where you go, where you go, where you go? Your mother teach you not to kill, not to shoot at what you can't kill, boy. I got snapped by this bitch in my spawn again. He's in our spawn. Trying to clear my spawn out, this bitch sniped me. He's dead. We got ILAV over there. Oh shit. A whole gang up here.
Listen up. There's an enemy Asian soldier south of your position.
Put that C4 down. Yeah.
Objective Charlie has been
Oh, got a lot. Dude. Turn the helo around. Turn the helo around. Where's that lab at?
There's an enemy sniper south of your location.
Fucking hell. Oh shit. I slammed in my hand looking. It seems like we have to go clean the base up. We have to go clean the base up. Get a gun that is agile.
Objective Bravo has been lost. I say again,
Wounded
Objective
myself.
Bravo has been lost. I've spotted an enemy aircraft due west of your current location.
We got beacons and shit. They're behind me. Oh shit. He's dead. Yeah, another one over here. Another one. Blueberry almost hit the guy. Holy shit, snipers. Rocket truck.
We just neutralized objective Bravo.
Got alive. Rocket truck.
Spotted a hostile vehicle.
Oh shit, need more height on that bitch. I got hit.
An enemy vehicle.
Got a damn boat. Rocket truck disabled. Rocket truck dead. Oh, got boat beach. Jerry. Ah, what's up? I got killed by my guy with my son named Marcus.
Oh, what's up?
Bird. Jerry, hitting you up, man. I got a healer above you, Bird. Who's this right here?
Enemy soldier. Right in your location.
The snipers everywhere. We got alive. Shit, get down. Slams went off on somebody. The lab is wounded on Alpha. One more hit. He's getting repaired. Building coming down, Bird. Easy UCAP for you now. Easy UCAP, Bird. There's a sniper right there. Firing. We got soldiers on the roof.
We now control objective Alpha.
Damn rocket truck is back up.
Spotted a hostile vehicle. Spotted an enemy tank.
Damn snipers and fucking AAs, man. Fucking bitches. Where should I find your ass? Oh, right side, dude. There's a sniper going on the right mountain behind Bravo.
Objective Alpha's been lost.
12% God damn, we are on US.
Alright.
Okay, there we go. Honey bird, let's go get some clearance. We got guys coming up the snipe, coming up right here. I see dead people. There's a sniper right there. Oh, come on! Oh my God!
Hey, if you're dead, switch me over.
He's right on the rock, left to the road to go down in the Bravo. He's right in front of you, right there, right in front of you. There he is, there he is. Bitch, bitch,
I have eyes
bitch!
on a hostile AT soldier.
Teabag,
North of your current
bitch!
location.
Right through his fucking head with that small. There's another one over there, laying down to the right of the rock stone by you. I don't know if Blueberry killed him. I don't know if Blueberry killed him or not. Motherfucker, go camp that bitch. You fucked up right there. I bet you cussing. How did he kill me that small? How? We got snipers on the rooftop, guys.
Control of objective Alpha.
That jet crash and burn like a motherfucker.
Oh, I did. I switched.
I see a sniper. Hit him, hit him, hit him. There's two of them. Hey, shit, got hit, man.
We've taken objective Charlie.
That bitch is lucky as bitch. Look at that. He's lucky as fuck. Look at him. Lucky ass piece of shit. That bitch, you see him lucky?
Yep, I hit him with a headshot, bro. Got him.
Oh, I need to adjust my TV ratio. Didn't realize that my bullet count is quarter away. Hold on, guys. Let me adjust this shit quickly.
You put it on normal again?
No, it was, hold on, there we go. That's better.
Shut back.
We got Hilo coming in.
Oh my god. He's in the
Oh, shit! How did that miss?
I can confirm objective Bravo is now on.
They're just laying down in a goddamn spawn area. Just laying down there. And as you walk past, they gun you down.
I'm coming. I'm coming from the spawn. I'm walking.
Oh shit, wrong thing I spawned in. Now my next round you get a retribution. Next round is oh shit.
Objective Bravo has been compromised.
John. Look at this bitch. Get up my base, motherfucker.
Heads up, enemy sniper north of your current position.
Yeah, Gerard, there's a scattered in our base here laying down all over the goddamn rockstone. Snipers and everybody. Keep a sharp eye. There's snipers all over there too. Look at it, look at it. Listen to this shit. As I come down this mountain, it's
Oh, I got sniped in the back.
in the back.
And lane. Behind the Heard I'm on your 6. These guys are over here to the right. Where we was at. There's two of them right there. Got one of them.
Coming around the right flank. Hope we can get there in time.
I'm 6%.
Game done.
They shot the shit out of me. What's the next one, Rockland?
Gulmud.
Oh, okay.
I did. Oh shit, we're negative by 1.
I came in at the end, I went positive by 1.
Good.
Look at this guy, 24 on our side, 3 and 16. Holy shit. Look at the other guy, number 19, 3 and 19.
Look at number 2 on, look at number 3 on their team, 25, 2, 22 and 2, number 6, number 5. He got me once with the the freaking C4 some shit like that. Well, go on Galaxy.
What's up?
Get a new one digital. There you go. I paid £3 something for my sons. It was on sale at the time I got it. Cheap game now, but it's quite good still, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Joining us. I should go mix maps, but I'm scared because if I go mix maps, all them fucking everybody just left. Alright, boys, get your freaking repair tools out.
Yeah. Oh, I got my repair tool on.
Anti-roller the sensei media.
Nice.
Okay, let me roll this quickly and come kick some ass.
Alright, man.
Hey, Bird, where you at?
With you.
Remember, Bird, come, we need to get some ass kicking for the last round, man. Kick their asses. This is I put on this map for you to can get some kills, boy. Hold on, JR. Over there, just a second.
Yeah, I'm in with you. There's a jet that just fell over there. Look at that.
Yeah, he didn't nobody in there. I see him. Oh shit, we should go take that motherfucker. The enemy jet, right?
Let me go. Hold on. Let me get a jeep. Oh, I can't. Wait,
oh shit, that jet blew it up.
We have control of objective Echo.
They took the tanks and shit, so.
Evo. Whoa. Got tanks. Look at the bridge. Look at the bridge. Look at this jet right here. Come on, AA, do your job. There's a freaking jet.
We now control objective Charlie. Objective Bravo is being neutralized.
See, AA.
Внимание, enemy aircraft south of your position. Come on, move. Let's go.
Ease off your guns for a bit. Trying to get the element of surprise right here. Guy right in front of you. Let's try to push him like a roach. Close the kill.
There you go, jeep right there.
I have eyes.
Oh shit, there's two tanks. Oh shit.
Come on, right now. Go.
That's
Look,
right.
damn AA. Dumb girl.
All right, thanks.
Let's go get these tanks down here.
Видел, вражеский get dying.
Gotta hit him that way.
Radio is enemy tank south of your location.
Hit him.
We're going with the box truck.
Fuck. Yeah, got a hit. Clean shot. We got guy behind us, Jar. Somewhere got another hit. Got him.
Behind us.
We've just
Got a hit.
objective Foxtrot.
He's disabled. Bang! Two tanks dead. Guy behind us in the tree right here, see? He's right here, Jar. Got another tank.
There's a tank.
Fuck, I got my asshole wide open.
Get him, don't worry about it, I got it.
That guy jumped out, didn't die. Look, what the fuck? RPG in the roof, god damn.
Yeah. Svenicky.
And because it's Europe's region server, pure German up in here, man.
Mm-hmm.
Pure Germans.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Bird, where you at?
Bird just landed near Delta. Alright, I'm on you, Bird. Ooh. You got him, Bird. Oh.
Hey, Bird, are your microphone mute?
Damn. No, I can't hear him.
Oh, you mute
Oh, he
yourself.
ran me over with the helicopter. He landed, Bird, right near you. There you go. Bird got him. Nice. There's another guy out of the helicopter
Hold on,
behind
guys, 2 seconds. Let's quickly do something here.
Nice, Bird.
We don't want to get a pressure me as no weak.
Oh. there's a tank coming.
Cause a boy like me not mad.
It's gonna get me. There's a tank right there.
We are in Russia Delta squad. We got tank on Delta. Talk about Delta squad. Drop some slams on his fuck. Oh shit, I got repair tool. Oh my god, I'm fucked up. Oh shit. We got Jeep. Oh shit.
I hit the tank.
That motherfucker shooting at me. There's a guy on foot. I'm going for the guy on foot. You take the tank. I'm going for the guy on foot. Hope you don't jump on the fucking 50 caliber and gun me down.
Damn.
You'd be a bitch.
Tank is running, man. He's running too far.
I'm here, boy. I can't see that guy. Oh, he's right here. He's right here. Bitch. Ah, shot him off the 50 cal.
Right above your head, Orlando.
Oh shit. Thank you. He jumped right in front of me.
Yeah, I told you they were jumping off the...
No, the parachuting in from Delta, but I didn't realize it said above you. Look around, man, drop right in front of me. I'm looking up. Oh man, I got that guy off the gun. That was cool. Looking for him, I couldn't find him. Where's that jet? A jet should be chasing this. I'm reloading. Oh this shit! Come on, perfect. No flies on. I'm reloading. Bitch! Oh my god! Bluebird, bring it back. Dude, I know the jet was chasing him, you know. I could tell. Can't flying so fast. Transport Elo. Attack Elo coming in. Transport jumping out. Guy jumping out. C4. As he touch the ground, he's dead. Bitch.
Yep. Nice. I'm on there. Oh. Shit. I don't have ammo. I got repair too.
Ребята, we have control of objective Bravo.
Bird squad leader.
Check it, there's tanks north of your current position. Men, you
Got Hilo falling out the sky. We got a laugh. Take it, I got repair tools. Take it, take it. Oh, fuck, I got reps. Jumping it, jumping it! I'm going in, I give a fuck. You think what? Got that bitch. I bet you sorry jumped up the lab. Motherfucker! Woo! Yeah, he jumped out. I killed him with it, now he's pissed.
I'll repair you guys. Stay there, I'll repair you.
I'm 100, I'm fully repaired. Get in, wanna ride? Let's roll road together, man. We're going next,
There's a Jeep to the left.
We got a Jeep Charlie. Fuck. He's dead. Everybody dead. Okay, let them keep. We're going Foxtrot.
There's an enemy plane east of where you are.
We're going Foxtrot. We got the enemy lab, so they're trying to keep us close to your base as we can. Just to back up for repair. There's some right in front of us. In front of us.
You gotta turn to your left a little bit.
Got both of you. We got Chuck. Got him. Galaxy! Yeah, just keep pushing. I might dash him a drink. Marcus. That's what that. Jesus. Go on, man, go on. Rub your hands together on something now. I got AA. AA.
I've got that repair. Just keep shooting them, I'm gonna shoot them.
Throw a missile up his ass. Got it.
We now control objective Bravo.
Get in. Oh, here's something from the left there. Hilo on the left side. We got tank. We got guy right there. HMV-11. Directly. Screamer face. Pop a fire. Screamer face. Angle. Put down spray. Monster has on cream, I see a thing, man. Marcus, creep on going in bed, man. Headshot. He trying to so flam. You're not shooting properly, man. Guy in front of us marked up. We got Hilo coming down on us. Oh, Hilo cracked. Come on. He landed. Hilo landed. Fuck. Shoot him. No fly. He jumped out. Okay, where that sniper at is safe? On top of the tower.
Alright, I'm back there. I'm back. Alright.
We just lost control of objective Charlie.
Oh, we lost Charlie.
Men,
We're going up Charlie. What side are you on, JR?
Left side.
Switch to the right.
I'm him on the right side.
Okay, I'm gonna give you guys right side view. There you go, there they go. Try to save one for you, Jared. Kill that guy. He's all yours.
Yeah, but you're moving. Yeah, he
One of
got
them escape.
Bird's got a better shot than I got. Believe me. This is
What the hell is that?
a better view. This is a better view than in Battlefield 5.
Yeah, the guy at the back. Bird.
I don't see anybody on the right side.
Guy right in the house right here. I just see him. I just see him move.
He jumped down. I can't shoot him.
There they are. Left side. By the car. By the car. By the fucking car. Nice shit. There's another one. There's another one. Same position.
I'm on the
There
right
is.
side. Back on the right side. I'm getting kill assists. That's it.
Alpha. Helo's on Bravo. He landed right here. Mash him up, Bird. Mash him up. Are you going to take it? Are we going to take it? I want
Where is it? I'll
to
jump out. Take it.
blow it.
Take it. Oh, okay. You got it? Take it. Take it. I'm going to jump in the LED.
Is the enemies or friendly? Hope it's one of the enemies one because we got enemy LAV right here. And take one, champ. I'm going to your bed. Take one, I'm going to your bed.
We now control objective Alpha.
Rudy with that. Watch the guy's top. Look at him.
We got a jet. Ah, Bird, see at least we kick it. Shit out
The
the
boat. There's the jet.
Hold on, Jared. Cover fire, cover fire, cover fire, cover
I
fire.
am. I'm looking around. I'm looking around.
Alright. See that jet?
I don't see anything.
Oh, we got tank, we got tank.
There he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes.
We got tank, we got
Yep,
tank.
there he is.
Вижу вражеский танк.
Hey, hey, don't shoot! I was not gonna shoot yet. I'm gonna wait till you turn his freaking asshole.
There's a jeep. There's a jeep. There's a jeep too.
I got the engage now. What I got? Hey, we got behind us this freaking grenade.
Вижу
Get out of here.
вражеский
Get out
танк.
of here.
Put your freaking repair. Oh!
Fuck. He's still 55%?
Damn, you're getting repairs over there and then getting repaired.
That's why. That's why.
They got their love back.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna go to Bravo. I'm gonna hit him with rockets.
That's so cute.
I went to Bravo with rockets.
They getting that cook. Hey, Galaxy, you're not in the party yet? Getting clipped yet? The same guy that just killed me at JR.
Objective Charlie has been lost.
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me try to get Galaxy over here. Galaxy, where you
I'm
at?
coming. I'm coming. I'm coming.
It's full Galaxy, I can't switch you. No way. Hey, we got tank
Yeah.
outside the box truck. Times 2.
Обнаружен танк врага.
Outside the fuck shot. What?
Tank.
Oh,
We have control of objective
I'm
Alpha.
gonna run.
Listen up, I've
I'm
spotted
gonna
the
Bravo
hostile
again.
heavy armor due east of where you are.
Nice. That's what I like to hear. Look at this motherfucker here. He's not dead.
Oh, you
No, you did. Hey, we got Jeep moving over to our spawn area going to Gulf.
Go to your position. Hostile enemy
Yeah,
sniper.
Hilo chasing the hell out of him. Can I get a lucky shot off and get him?
just took Bravo.
Yeah.
Charlie.
I don't even think I got a kill yet.
We got plane.
Oh, I do. I'm 2 and 3.
Hit him.
Обнаружен.
Hey, this
Вражеский танк.
Bluebird tank is blind as hell. There's a tank behind him over here, and he don't see him. Look at all these guys around the corner.
Position. There is an enemy soldier.
You ain't gonna survive, bitch. You're stupid as a motherfucker. I'm going for this AA. I can't shoot nothing. C4, fucking C4. Shit, I'm dead. I ain't dying like that, bitch. I'm taking some more of you bitches with me. Hey, Bluebird, watch your back! I ain't dying like that, bitches. I'm taking some of you. Look at the sniper. Snap that, bitch. Dude, oh my god. I'm wrecking them over here. I ain't going away. I'm staying until I die. Holy shit! Yep. Woo! Dude, I'm on a 15 kill streak right here. Last time I checked, I was 15 and 2. How much am I now? I don't know. I'm still trying to survive. Hey, Bird, it's not safe. There's a lab coming your way, Bird.
We've just taken control of objective point.
3? I should have stayed and fight with you. Shit. I chickened out.
We've just lost objective goal.
We got another motherfucker.
What the? Man.
I see that guy. Should I go for him? I'm going for him.
Enemy helicopter into your gun position.
Final bullet. Got it. Fuck! Yes! Woo-hoo-hoo! You saw shit! I'm gone! I'm gone with the wind! Holy shit, dude! I just took 2 guys out with a freaking 10% health. Woo! I'm gone with the fucking wind. Going home to base to get a freaking armor vehicle. Picture I hold my streak. Oh, we got lap here. I'll take this bitch. I'll take this lap.
You got it?
Not yet.
No, there's no lab here.
Yep, there's a lab right here. I'm going for it.
Come on, I'm in the tank.
Yes, JR, I still got my streak. Let me check my score quick. Oh my god, I just kicked the shit out of him over there. Look at that. I was 15 and 2 and I went in on foot and now I'm 24 and 2. Damn. I went in guns out and come back in and get a V. Oh my god. They ain't gonna survive. They're gonna like me. This is payback for the last round. Let's go Bravo, get some action.
Come on. Oh, somebody hit me with something. It's 30% off. Come on, man. I can't do it.
There's a guy way here somewhere. Oh, there's 2 snappers on the tower. I'm gonna try to get their asses. Look, Tower of a Gulf.
Look, I'm shooting at them. That's who's shooting you with rockets.
Dude, I can't hit those guys on the tower.
Me neither.
Come on, helicopter. Go get them helicopter. Helicopter guys out there. The helo is an idiot. Look at that. He jumped out the goddamn thing and... We got mortar up here. We got mortar. We got mortar.
South of where you are, there's the enemy sniper. Вижу вражеского солдата!
Stop on this.
Hey, JR, where you at, man? I need help from Bravo.
Objective Charlie is
Look at this bitch. He's spawning around Bravo. I'm gonna try to road kill him. Come here, let me crush you like a roach you are. Oh, you little kid bitch. You still got me escape, bitch.
I spotted a hostile soldier due north of your position.
You think that Rocky's gonna save you? I'm coming for that ass.
There's a
Oh,
tank
shit.
coming from their spawn.
Damn! Burn him!
Yeah.
Damn! The man break my streak. Rocky
Come on,
bitch.
move, man. Oh, come on, man.
He's
This
dead.
is bullshit, dude.
Got you, Galaxy. I'm sorry. You lay down too. Fuck! I want you. I want you. Lay down, bitch. Look at these bitches over here. Oh, he's dead. Taking over Bravo. Taking over Bravo.
Against the zone.
Parachuters, parachuters. Put that down, bitch.
Blew up that helicopter.
Yes, I got the final kill. Woo! Final kill. I killed him and got it. He dropped the game done.
My grandfather fought in World War II.
Man, I went on a nice roll right there until that fucking IRA guy killed my streak.
I didn't even
I
do
called
anything
the
in
Trump
this one.
effect.
I don't know.
Trump effect.
He's a random in the squad, I guess, or Galaxy's family member.
The Trump effect.
Got a 28 and 3. Woo!
Damn.
I went
I did.
all out on them.
3 and 4. I didn't do anything.
Let's hope the next game we can switch.
Fuck, it was like I was obsolete in this game.
Mm-hmm. You was asleep, JJ. You was asleep.
Hey, no, I was in that Jeep, that tank with you, the LED.
yeah,
Yo, that
yeah,
freaking, hey, that got pot guy. Yo, all he does is try to take your tags.
Who, me?
No. Remember the other day we were in with that dude got pot?
Oh.
And I was playing with my other boy, Eaglets 360. And him and Got Pot went at it one day, and Got Pot was jumping off roofs and trying to take tags. I ran him over with the tank.
Oh yeah, I remember that. I remember.
That was a while ago.
Jump like this, bitch. It was on Dawnbreaker.
No, I wasn't playing with you. No, I wasn't playing with you at the time. No, he was trying to do that at Dawnbreaker too. Remember that?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That's right. Yeah, but no, this was another time. We were on Caesar Shanghai, and I took his tag. He jumped in front of me, tried to tag me, and he did it. Matter of fact, he did it on Flood Zone too. He was trying to do that, and he tried to take my tag, and he was looking at me, and I punched him and took his tag.
Yep, my man.
He goes like 8 and 20 something sometimes. He just tries to take people's tags.
I mastered that tag thing. I don't think you guys did it yet. We have to get all you have to get we are in the US. Man, the server, I'm telling you, the server is quite busy server. New server, but it's busy as fuck. Once it's full, dude. My son waited 20 minutes the other day, I'm not lying. 20 minutes in a queue of 4 to get in.
Here's your ammo.
Watch it.
Yeah, Rambo.
Where's the ammo? Pick it up.
Loads of airbursts coming our way. Oh, they're behind us, they're behind us.
Going up. Yeah.
My claymore just went off.
His grandfather? His grandfather.
Illiterate. If I was the president or a prime minister, I'll put a rule, a law, against 2 dumb people having sex. Cause just bring another dumb motherfucker in the world. Ain't that right, bro? You just bring another dumb person in the world. I need out.
Yeah.
On the back.
Yeah, first aid.
They don't see me. They don't fucking see me yet.
Where you at?
On the back.
even know
Fuck! 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 Hey! Oh! 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 Oh my God! I wish I had it on video. I wish I wasn't streaming. I I wish I had it on video. Oh my god. You gotta watch this stream later, boys. If you ain't got shit to do, watch this stream. You love it. Oh shit, my head is hurting me. I just went in the corner and killed 5 motherfuckers. 5! And they're looking at me. And one shot, one shot, one shot. I'm like, oh shit. Woo! We turned the tide on them. Or Lambo, I turned the tide on all of these guys. I went and flanked all 5 and look at that. We took over Charlie. I pushed them back to Delta now. And this is a boss.
Yeah.
Oh shit, they're underneath Charlie, guys. The pillbox, pillbox, pillbox.
Oh, I got killed.
Hey, they're behind us.
Delta has been destroyed.
They're in Bravo. I see it. I'm pulling that back.
And then the pillbox, in the pillbox. Downstairs, I think. I don't know the fuck's going on. Hey, I got Claymore just went out. They're downstairs. They're coming up the staircase.
No, he's dead.
No, no, no. He's coming up. I see him. There's 2 of them. Fuck, I knew it. Oh my god, man, stop my streak, man. You man, stop my streak. Look at that. What's the score? Look at that. See? Told you I took 5 out.
Going at me.
Alright, where you at? Where you at? I'm going Bravo flank. I'm going Bravo flank. I'm pushing on the outside.
Got him. Got 2 of them. Nice, bro. I got
Okay, I'm pushing on.
first aid. I don't have...
The outside, the outside. Bluebird, watch your ass. You've been flanked, Bluebird. Turn around.
No, that's not us.
The outside, the outside.
Yes, we are.
Oh shit, look how many motherfuckers. Oh my god, dude, the whole team is out there, man.
Counts as a kill.
They're pushing Bravo. Outside, they're hugging up on them rock stones out there, man.
They're there,
Claim
so-
it down on the back.
Come on, I want you. Let's go. There we go.
The outside, they're coming out. They're coming, they're coming. They're coming. You see the map? You see the map? You see the map? You see the map?
I know.
Hey, Jared, let's fall back and try to burn
There
some of
we
these
go, right
bitches
there.
out.
Well, how do you... Where is he? Dude, he's right in my body, dude.
I can confirm.
He
Objective
did that
Come on,
stupid
push,
shit.
push, push, bitch.
In the air. He's going... No, they're going...
Where they going? Where they going?
Alpha from inside. They're going to Alpha from inside.
I'm pushing. And they're still coming to Bravo too, man. Here they come. Claymore got one. Got one more. Got another one. Shit. Got another one. Fucker. Sit that bitch ass down, nigga. You know they don't like me, you know. The fucking admin. They're on Alpha, alright. I'm coming that way. I'm coming.
Yeah, they're in the corner.
I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. In between Alpha and Bravo, I'm coming. Drop my med bag and stand beside it. Drop a med bag and stand beside it, man. Well, Echo, there's their base. Don't worry about that too much.
Come on.
Here's the
That's
ammo.
it.
Pick
We
it
got
up.
Alpha.
Alright. Let's go back up. Oh shit, then Bravo. Claymore, bloom.
Yeah.
Then Bravo.
I'm going, let me...
This bitch. Then Bravo.
I got him in the kitchen.
Then Bravo.
was
One
one
is on
guy.
Bravo by the
Okay.
flag. Sniper is coming by the kitchen door.
Hold on.
Got Claymore right here. You got a tug. You got
No,
a
I
tug.
didn't get him. Somebody else got him.
His tug is down. I'm
Yep.
gonna burn. Watch the fire. Move, move, move.
Go.
Oh, my Claymore don't burn that bitch. Burn, motherfucker. Yep. Hey, Galaxy, what's up? Trick you in that one, huh? Yeah, put you in the Claymore. I burn that fucker down. Now you're running the Claymore.
Looks like there's AT personnel operating west of your boss.
We got more guys outside.
Yep. They're coming back this way. From outside. Oh, he's dead. He was on the rock. Nice.
Here's your ammo. Go get it.
They're outside. Damn, they got a spawn beacon out there. They got a spawn beacon outside Bravo.
Sniper dead.
They got a spawn beacon out here. I'm running out here. They're to your right, bird. They got a spawn beacon somewhere out here. Got him. I tell you, they got a spawn beacon up here.
Listen for that beep.
I don't hear a beep.
Here's your ammo.
I don't hear nothing.
I don't hear the. No, you hear the beep. I don't hear no beep.
Yeah,
Be clean
I
now.
don't hear a beep.
Oh shit, where's that 50 cal? Somebody got it.
I hate running outside, but I'm gonna run out here.
We got a guy down there, Nico.
That's enough.
Look at him up top, up top, up top.
On your shift, bird. Oh, somebody just got
Man
a
gets
rocket.
sniped and a rocket launcher coming up. I'm lagging.
Fucking shooting rockets all down here.
Here's your ammo. Pick it up.
Our guy's back there.
Nice.
I don't like. I'm not
Hey guys, I'm inside.
Coming inside.
Here's your ammo. Pick it up.
Why I don't stay outside. I'm in the boat that's downstairs.
Oh shit, my claymore just went off on the back, on the back, on the back, down the back. Yep, you bitch. You found it. Trying to flank her, motherfucker.
Here's your ammo.
Nice. Nice to see you having fun, bird. That's what I like.
He's not pissed off now.
Yeah, that's what I like. That's what I like. And I like when my friends raging, you know what I'm saying? Don't hate it. You love it, man. Don't be lying. Remember, it's Battlefield 4, boy. The best game ever. Let's play some Ghost Recon. In the medic room, hot in the medic room. I'm checking a grenade over here in the medic room.
Yeah, I've been shooting 320 LB.
This bitch laying right here.
Stop.
Fuck, you can't get a perfect aim. I found my spot. I found my spot. Hey, this is a little glitch spot I can teach you guys about. You just hide behind here and step on the
I
shoot.
don't know where you're at.
Right by the scanner, right in the scanner.
Come on, get out of here.
Who, me?
Here's the first aid for you. The first aid right to your right.
Oh shit! Shit! How the hell he shot me in my head? Medic! There must be a medic around here. There must be a medic. By the scanner, there must be. No medic! You gotta be shitting me.
No, I'm not running a paddle. I run 320 LBs. One on me.
Move, dude. Watch it. Bluebird, watch it. I wanna check a grenade, but you're in my way. Yeah, got one.
Run.
The medic room is hot, man.
I know it's hot, but I don't have any more food.
I'm busting out a gunshot. I got one. LMG laying down. Fuck! You got me again. They're coming. Boom. Thought my claymore was gonna blow my ass.
I'm running out of ammo.
Oh, look at that. They're chopping that medic room. We can clean them out. Push them all the way to their spawn. Chuck a grenade. Open that blow and give me something. Nothing? Jesus Christ.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is it. You're right. This is a good spot here.
Told your ass.
Objective Echo has been neutralized.
I'm gonna try something I never did before.
Oh, they ran in already. They ran in. They're fast. Yep. Thanks, bro. I needed that shit.
Man, I wanna get at least one motherfucker with this shit.
Watch it.
Look at this bitch, look at this bitch. Come on, bitch. Come on! He's dead! Ah.
Wow.
Whee!
Wow. Shit, I went 18-3. Holy shit. That was a good run. Bird was happy on that one.
Yeah, he was.
He's like, Claymore, yes.
Yeah. 15 and 6.